Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study engineering chemistry in one day. To begin, immediately prioritize the most crucial topics, such as thermodynamics and chemical kinetics, as these often carry significant weight. Allocate approximately 2 hours to thoroughly grasp foundational concepts like atomic structure and periodicity. Focus intensely on understanding reaction mechanisms rather than just memorizing them. Finally, dedicate time to practicing problem solving for numerical applications, aiming for at least 5 to 7 diverse problems to solidify your understanding. Next, dedicate a substantial 3 hours to mastering core concepts like chemical bonding and the various states of matter. Thoroughly review periodic trends and molecular structures, as these form the backbone of many chemical reactions. Ensure you understand electrochemistry principles and their practical applications. To reinforce your learning, solve at least 10 diverse practice problems from these sections, focusing on conceptual clarity and calculation accuracy. Now, let's focus on effective problem solving. Allocate 2.5 hours to stoichiometry and chemical equilibrium, which are critical for quantitative analysis. Work through example problems step by step, ensuring you understand each stage of the calculation. Actively identify common pitfalls in calculations to prevent similar mistakes during your exam. Additionally, create and use flashcards for important formulas and definitions to aid quick recall and reinforce memory. Finally, dedicate 1.5 hours for a quick, comprehensive review of all the topics you've covered. Summarize key concepts and essential formulas on a single sheet of paper for easy last-minute reference. Remember, getting adequate rest before your exam is crucial for optimal performance and clear thinking. Maintain a positive mindset and trust in your preparation. You've put in the effort, and you're ready to succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.